பெண்களுக்கு ஏற்படும் சின்னப்பை நீர் கட்டிகள், கற்குழாய் அடைப்பு, கர்ப்ப கட்டிகள், முட்டை வளர்ச்சியின்மை, லோ ஹெமஜ், லோ எண்டோமெட்ரிக் திக்னஸ் போன்ற பிரச்சனைகளை சரி செய்து இயற்கையான முறையில் கருத்தரிக்க எத்னிக் ஹெல்த் கேர் இயற்கை கருத்தரிப்பு மையம்.
For me to address the valedictory session of the 19th edition of CAI Connect 2020, I would like to extend my best wishes to all of you. I could see the growth and the impact the CAI Connect has created over the years, being a platform for policy initiatives of the government and also establishing very successful organizations and institutions in the field of information technology in Tamil Nadu. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all aware that the world is going through a severe economic crisis due to COVID pandemic. My government is working tirelessly in the fight against COVID. This was made possible by increasing the number of tests and conducting various awareness campaigns across the state. I have personally travelled and reviewed the action taken in 25 districts. We have been gradually opening up the economic activities which will ensure that Tamil Nadu returns to normalcy at the earliest. We have been attracting investments over the years, and I would like to mention here that 81 projects signed during the Global Investors Meet 2019 have commenced commercial production, while another 191 are under various steps of implementation. Subsequent to the GIM 2019, the state has also attracted 63 projects, including those that have taken shape during my visit to USA and UAE, with an investment of rupees 19,000 crores, which would create 83,000 jobs. Even during COVID lockdown period, we have signed 42 MOUs involving an investment of rupees 31,464 crores, with the potential to create 69,000 jobs. The government headed by me implementing various reforms in the areas of ease of doing business, online single window system clearance, etc., which has resulted in the state topping in the Good Governance Index, Export Preparedness and Investment Potential Index. In the information technology sector, Tamil Nadu has emerged as one of the leading states in the information technology and information technology enabled services sector. Tamil Nadu continues to be a destination of choice for the ITES sector in India. The state has been upgrading its IT infrastructure in a dynamic manner so as to facilitate speedy access to information and delivery of various services of the government of Tamil Nadu to the citizens in a faster and efficient manner. My government aims to transform our state as the innovation hub and knowledge capital of the country through creation of world-class institutions in various fields and by utilizing the human talent available in the state. To achieve this, the state has been effectively leveraging the IT skills of its human resources to match the growing demand of the skilled workforce. Further, to promote ITES industry in the state and to attract more investments, 8 special economic zones were established in Chennai and Tier 2 cities by ELCOT and Startup Warehouse was established at Chennai and Coimbatore. A Center of Excellence in FinTech and Center of Excellence in Emerging Technologies were also established at Chennai. Services delivery project will be implemented by establishing and leveraging the state family databases and blockchain backbone infrastructure. This pioneering initiative will take government to the citizens, thus eliminating the need for the citizens to request G2C services. The BharatNet and TamilNet projects will be implemented to connect all 12,524 village panchayats of the state with minimum 1 Gbps high-speed connectivity, which will help to achieve the targets of Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations. I am confident that these steps will strengthen Tamil Nadu's position as an international IT hub in the country. In this journey, I look forward to the partnership with CAI. It is our endeavor to work with the industry in addressing and resolving all the issues impacting the economic and industrial growth of the state. With these words, I wish the Connect 2020 a grand success. Thank you. Nandri Vanakkam.